Factsheet 1.1 Direct Payment Bank Accounts and Financial Record Keeping. Page 1 Introduction. As a recipient of direct payments, you must set up a bank or building society account to receive your direct payment. You must provide details of this bank account to your funder, either social services or the NHS. If you are funded by Hampshire County Council, you will need to contact them directly. It's very important that you keep accurate financial records of what you have spent your direct payment on. In West Sussex and Portsmouth, a copy of your direct payment bank statement must be sent to your funder each month and a copy kept for your financial records, unless you have a prepaid account. Section 1. Opening a bank or building society account. You must open a current account at a bank or building society to receive your direct payment money into. This account must be completely separate from any personal accounts you have. Page 2. We recommend that you use a completely different bank for your direct payment money, as some banks have a policy of clearing personal money problems or overdrafts from any other accounts that you may have with them. If you keep your direct payment money at a different bank, it saves this type of confusion. In order to receive your direct payment, you only need a basic current account. Some banks will promote enhanced current accounts, which incur a monthly charge. Banks can describe these as reward accounts, added value accounts, premier accounts, or accounts with additions, such as discounted services or insurance unrelated to direct payments. The Council expects direct payment funds to be used only to pay for costs which are necessary to achieve the outcomes in your support plan. Enhanced bank accounts which charge are not necessary to meet these outcomes, and you should not use your direct payment to pay these charges. When you open the account, you should request a chequebook and debit card. The chequebook will be useful as you may wish to pay your personal assistants by cheque. You should make all payments from your account by cheque, debit card, or internet transfer. You should only use cash in exceptional circumstances. You may want to ask your bank for a signature stamp if you have difficulty signing cheques. Ink pads are available from stationery shops. If you need a close family member or partner to sign cheques for you, ask the bank about that person being a joint signatory on your DP bank account. Section 2. Why do I need to keep financial records? Your DP will be paid into the account monthly or weekly, and once you start employing PAs, you will be making regular payments from the account, e.g. personal assistant wages. It's very important that you keep accurate financial records for all of these payments. Financial records are records of money coming into and money leaving your direct payment account. You must keep them so that you are able to show how much money you have received into your direct payment bank account and what you have spent it on. Check whether there are any mistakes on your bank statements. Track the progress of checks you have written. Identify long-term trends that lead to your account balance building up or getting low. Easily answer any questions that your funder may ask about your expenditure. Demonstrate that direct payment money is not your personal income if HMRC or the Department for Work and Pensions inquire. Page 3. Section 3. Which financial record should I keep? Section 3.1. Keeping a spending record. A spending record allows you to record all the money coming into and going out of your direct payment account, income and expenditure. Your direct payment account statement will provide details of incoming and outgoing payments. It's also important to keep receipts and invoices so that you have evidence of exactly what each payment was for. Page 4. To help you keep your spending record, you may find it helpful to use Factsheet Template Spending Record Support Sheet 1.1. It's vital that you keep receipts for all payments that you make by cash or debit card and that you make a note of what the item purchased was. You should only make payments by cash in exceptional circumstances, and you must never pay your personal assistant in cash. Section 3.2. Checks. When you write checks from your direct payment account, it's important to make a note on the check stub of what the payment was for so that you can match it up to your bank statement. Section 3.3. Timesheets. It's also very important that you keep accurate records of the hours your personal assistants have worked. You should ask your personal assistant to complete a weekly timesheet. This will give you a record of the hours your personal assistant has worked so that you and your payroll service know how much they should be paid. You should ensure that the timesheet is signed by you and the personal assistant to ensure it's accurate. If you wish, you can use Factsheet Template PA Timesheet Support Sheet 3.4. You must also keep an accurate record of any holiday taken by your personal assistant and any periods that they are off sick. Page 5. Section 4. Bank Statements. You should ask your bank to send you a monthly statement for your direct payment account. You must send a copy of the statement to the finance team of your funder, e.g. the council or the NHS. If you have made any internet transfers or card payments, you should write on the bank statement what these are for, as the statement will only list the organisation you made the payment to. You should also keep a copy of your bank statement for your own records.
This fact sheet has been produced by Independent Lives for use within its advice and support services. We aim to ensure the information is as up-to-date and accurate as possible, but do be aware some of the content is subject to change. If you would like further advice on this topic, or to access any of the fact sheets or support sheets referred to in this document, please visit www.independentlives.org or call us on 08456 012399 or 01903 219 482. This was fact sheet number 1.1, created on the 22nd of November 2016.